Want to speak English in daily life? Let's practice simple sentences. Listen carefully. I am going home. I am going home. Now you say, he will call me. He will call me. Say, where are you going? Where are you going? Say, I am hungry. I am hungry. Say, he runs very fast. He runs very fast. Say, I will help you. I will help you. Say, she is reading a book. She is reading a book. Say, we will meet tomorrow. We will meet tomorrow. Say, I like this. I like this. Say, he came late. He came late. Say, I am telling the truth. I am telling the truth. Say, he knows me. He knows me. Say, why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Say, I need water. I need water. Say, he goes to school. He goes to school. Say, I saw him. I saw him. Say, she is sleeping. She is sleeping. Say, we will win. We will win. Say, I am getting late. I am getting late. Say, he is working. He is working. Say, are you okay? Are you okay? Say, I am fine. I am fine. Say, he is playing. He is playing. Say, I understood. I understood. Say, she is very happy. She is very happy. Say, I am coming now. I am coming now. Say, he is my friend. He is my friend. Say, why did you do this? Why did you do this? Say, practice daily and improve your English. Follow for more simple English lessons.